For Thursday, the 11th of January, welcome to another update from the Force 13's Australia Oceania Channel, where the tropical activity is the northwest WA case. Tropical Cyclone Joyce formed earlier today, Cat 1 system, and it's expected to intensify further overnight. The warning zone is Cape Leviku to Port Hedland, including Port Broome, and Port Hedland, as well as remaining inland parts of the far western Kimberley and the far northeast Pilbara. Cyclone watch Port Hedland to Dampier, including Karratha, Dampier, as well as remaining inland parts of the central eastern Pilbara, including Nullagine, Marble Bar, Telfer, Newman, Tom Price. Sustained winds in the centre of 75 km per hour with wind gusts to 100 km an hour, located within 35 km of 17.3 degrees south, 121.7 degrees east, estimated to be 90 km northwest of Broome, 155 km north of Bidayandanga. Apology for the pronunciation. Movement south at 9 km an hour. The Biometeorology does have other warnings. The information is available on their website. They've also issued another flood warning. And their marine wind warning contains a storm force warning, gale and strong wind warnings. Now this is the latest track from the Tropical Cyclone Warning Centre. They're saying at Cat 2, 2 a.m, reaching Cat 3, 2 p.m. Friday afternoon. However, let's see what happens overnight. The Joint Typhoon Warning Centre is also indicating rapid intensification and very destructive winds with gusts to 180 km per hour possible near the centre of the system on Friday. We know that this system has developed. Tides will be higher, and the rainfall information hasn't changed. They're indicating isolated heavier falls of between 150 to 300 millimetres. And DFES has their warning system in place. Here's another look at the Bureau's total forecast of rain. Rainfall scales on the right hand side of the screen, and as mentioned previously, it's the blue through to the red. We also have the area of interest up there, the Christmas Island region. Here's the latest chart from the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre. Their advisory is also indicating a wave height at 12 feet. It's expected to move south and weaken through the remainder of the forecast period. However, they are of the opinion that there remains in place uncertainty re Joyce's track, and here's some tracks on the cyclone. This is a GEPS model, and could we see Tropical Cyclone Joyce a mid-range or high-range Cat 3? Now the GEFS, I'm actually leaning towards this scenario because there is a possible threat to Perth. Latest tropical cyclone formation probability guide, and you can see the blue, which is the Christmas Island region. The upper level divergence isn't as strong as what we've seen. It's around 30 knots. This is the 24-hour shear tendency, force 13. We'll continue to bring updated information across its main channel and here on the AU channel. The latest wind shear, the red represents unfavourable, yellow neutral, green favourable. And look at that area in red. A 50 millibar vorticity, you can see the yellow and slight red in the Christmas Island region. Now this is a look at the latest NOAA floaters on Tropical Cyclone Joyce. Sea surface temperature is a very healthy 132 Celsius. You can see the white in this particular floater. It represents the cooling of the cloud tops. Tropical Cyclone 05 Joyce is forecast to rapidly intensify through the next 36 hours due to a dual channel outflow. And it's just like a exhaust, you need the inflow and outflow. Now this is the life of the system up to now. And please feel free to post your comments on any video that is posted across our main and local channels. We like to hear the feedback. And the Force 13's main channel could have another update on Joyce after midnight over here. Meteorology will have another update out by 2000 hours Queensland time. Now this is another look at various tracks, AEST track guidance. And again, this scenario can't be ruled out. Late cycle track guidance, and the models are there on the right hand side, the different colours. This is the late cycle intensity guidance.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, which has had a revamp and is still under reconstruction, but take a look. Also YouTube, of course, if you haven't subscribed, that might be a good idea. Visit Force 13. We're also on Facebook under the same name, of course, and you can like us on there, and you can also follow us on Twitter. Search Force 13, all in text for those. You can also add Force 13 on Skype or my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.